How was suspension, Gabe?
Yeah, I caught a fish, but I'm gonna catch a bigger one. At least I'll try. He's right there.
I did? Who did I catch? Mom tells me everything. It's okay. I'm family. It's not a big deal. Well, else did I go?
Wait, hold on. There's...
Are you getting harassed at school about it? Yeah, or do you mind talking about it?
I'm zoomed in. So.
Ooh, he's gonna come. Hold on. Alright.
We don't have to talk about it. Jay calls the stuff up next door. Jay punched her boyfriend in the face. That's cool.
Yeah.
Come on, what the heck?
Lesson?
Alright, hold on. Ooh, there he is.
It's a lesson learned, bud.
Alright, I see him.
Alright. He might come.
Good dog. Sorry,
Oh,
Gabe, you
I
didn't
see him.
notice that yet.
See?
Oh yeah, I see him.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I swam away.
Hey, hold on. Wait, hold on. Let me just catch a random fish first. Because I'm not catching that much. I need to get some points.
At least. Better than nothing.
Awesome.
Yep. It's that bass.
Great. Oh, yeah.
You got me? You got a big bass.